Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to a masterclass series day 1. So this session is about overview about artificial intelligence and this session is also having a hands-on. So as we are already present in a hackathon, here we are going to create a chatbot by ourselves. Okay, so I hope you guys are super excited for creating a chatbots and working or playing with the chatbots. If you are super excited for this chatbot, you just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your live chat. Hello guys, hello, good evening. So before going on to the session, I would like to welcome the people who are all present here. So first of all, here it is the message which is really running fast. So first of all, here we have Yash Sharma. Hi sir, good evening. And Anand, hi. And Shubham, hi, good evening. And Priyanka, Salu, hi. And Prathamesh, hi, hello. And Nidhi Goyal, hi. And Vishal, hi. And Divya, hi, good evening. And Gargi, hi, good evening. And Divya, hi, good evening. And Venkata Hemant, hi, good evening. Guys, you can call me Sanjay. Okay, don't need to call like sir and all. Okay, you can directly call me Sanjay. And then Bhuvanesh, hi. And Faizan, hi, good evening. And Pritham, and then Ankita. And then it is really running very fast, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving a lot of response. Yeah, so there are a lot of people are posting that super excited. On fire, that emojis, whenever I used to see these kind of fire emojis or rocket or that it's showing a lot of spirit which is present in you, to that showing your excitement towards the session. So I'm really feeling very happy, guys. Thank you so much for your lovely interaction. So thanks a lot. Okay, so before going on to the session, there is an announcement. So attendance link will be available around 4:30 p.m. in the live chat or in the description box. Okay, don't rush up for the attendance form. Once the session is completed, start filling up the attendance form. Okay, so I cleared your first doubt which is regarding the attendance link, so that you should attend moreover like 20 sessions out of 30 sessions, so that you will get that certificate. Okay, yeah, we are seeing a lot of fire emojis. It's really wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so another main thing. So before going on to the session, there is a shocking surprise which is waiting for you. So to know about this shocking surprise, you just want to stay till the end. Okay, so I hope you will stay till the end. So if you are going to stay till the end, you just post I'll stay Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So it is my pleasure to give introduction about Pantech. Pantech was established on 2004 and we are almost having 100 plus team, and we are having research and development center in Chennai. We are the manufacturer of several lab equipments, development boards, and we are also providing solutions for every level project which starts from college or school level projects to industrial level project solutions. And we are also having online retail store which we are selling like a lot of lab equipments and engineering kits and then components and then all level projects, and then training. So while talking about our training expertise, we have conducted 2000 plus workshops, 250 plus faculty development programs, 100 plus seminars, and our vision to help 1 crore of people in the field of learning. Okay, so about me, so myself Sanjay, I'm working as a product manager in Pantech Solutions. My expertise about, actually first of all, I started my career on brain computer interface technology. I think you guys all know about the Elon Musk, right? So if you know about Elon Musk, you just post I know Sanjay in your live chat. So Elon Musk Neuralink, which is also working on the technology called brain computer interface technology. That is where I started my career first of all. And then I moved on to embedded system, so basic embedded system like 805 and those things. And then I moved on to Internet of Things, and then I started working on Python programming with the Raspberry Pi, such as like artificial intelligence, like machine learning, deep learning, and as well as like a basic data analytics. And also lastly, I just worked on autonomous robot design using robotic operating system with the help of Raspberry Pi and then microcontrollers. I just completed certain projects on autonomous robot design. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much that a lot of people are posting that I know Sanjay in your live chat. It is really super, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so what you are going to learn from the session. So this 30 days masterclass, which is segregated between each and every categories or each and every concept of artificial intelligence. First of all, here we have artificial intelligence. In that we have we are going to see introduction about that, and we are going to create a chatbots, and we are also going to learn Python programming as well. And then in the computer vision, we have some of the projects like moving object detection, face detection. So likewise, we have a lot of projects, and in machine learning also we have some projects, and deep learning and the natural language processing. And final 2 days, which is being segregated for artificial intelligence development using cloud, and what artificial intelligence development using hardware. So these are all the stuffs we are going to learn. Okay. So prerequisites for the course. Of course, you'll ask what are the things you need. So definitely you need a laptop with good internet, so that you are going to do it with me. Okay. So and no basic knowledge is required, because I'm going to teach each and every concept from the scratch for you. Okay. So I hope you all ready to do the hackathon with me. Okay, so please talk slowly. Yeah, I got that response. Thank you so much for posting. I please talk slowly. That response. Okay, definitely I'll go slow. Okay. And before going on to the concept, I would like to give some clarity about learning problems which is faced on the learning, because it is highly essential thing which we need to have the awareness about, because it is not being taught by any organization or any institution. The problem in learning is there are a lot of people used to face a lot of problems in learning. So because the people used to say reasons is there is more content, so that I can't able to learn, and which is very hard to learn, and very less applications, so I can't able to develop some applications, and not interactive and not precise, and problem is like a lack of information. How many of you people are agreeing to this point, where whenever you are registering for any course, whenever you are registering, whenever you are going for any kind of learning, so these are all the problems you used to face. If you are agree to this point, you just post I agree Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so these are all the points, guys. Okay, more content, hard to learn, less applications, not interactive, not precise, and lack of information. So these are all the problems, right? So people used to face. I'm telling you guys, so these are all the problems. Of course, I'll also agree. But last point there, it is a problem is lack of information. Okay, what does mean by this lack of information? Actually, guys, problem is not a lack of information. So there is a different problem in there. So because if you are typing artificial intelligence in Google or in a YouTube, you will get millions and millions of results. So millions and millions of results. So from that, you don't know which one I need to choose for, right? So yeah, we are getting a lot of response by Vallu, Satish. There are a lot of people are posting that I agree. It's really wonderful, guys. It's really wonderful. Thank you so much for your lovely response. Okay, so here, these are all the problems, guys. So the problem is, another major problem is not a lack of information, because whenever you are going into the Google and YouTube, if you are typing like machine learning, you will get millions and millions of results. So that's why I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. Okay, so this is the problem nowadays we are facing in Google or in YouTube. So in any of those sources, we have a lot of sources. So definitely people used to confuse themselves, having like where I need to learn. And what people actually need is clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what the people need. So only concept learning is not going to be helpful, and which is not going to be very easy to learn. Instead of that, if you are learning the concept by building some project, that is the better way to learning. Okay, so that is what we are going to provide, or you guys are going to get in this 30-day session. Okay, so we are getting a lot of response to go slow. Okay, so yeah, so that's the thing, guys. Okay, so I agree to this point to go to speak slow. Okay, definitely I'll agree to this point. Okay, so a problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. What people actually need: clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. So this is what the people actually need, guys. Okay, so day one agenda. So here we are going to have introduction to artificial intelligence, application of artificial intelligence, and you are going to learn how to create your chatbot, and also like some kind of web integrations, and those things you are going to see. And finally, you have Q&A session. If you have any questions, you can raise your questions on the time. Okay. Okay, guys, I got your response to go slow. So definitely I'll go slow. Don't do the spamming again and again. Okay, definitely I'll go slow. Okay. So yeah, so let us go to the session. So first of all, while talking about the artificial intelligence, so before talking about artificial intelligence, you just tell me, guys, what are all the artificial intelligence movies which you have watched so far? So I think you have seen a lot of artificial intelligence movie based on that AI. So you just tell me what are all the artificial intelligence movies which you have watched so far. So you just put your answers in the live chat. Okay, so because what in each and every movie what they'll show, so they'll create one robot. Okay, so on certain instant that will turn into a villain, right? And then they used to create another robot, and that is going to act like a good robot, and that is going to be a fight between good and then bad, and good is going to win. So that is a complete motive of each and every movies, right? So yeah, we're getting a lot of response that is Avengers, Iron Man, Jarvis, and then Robo 2.0, and Space Jam, and Terminator, and then okay, so there are a lot of responses. It's really running fast. I Robot, yeah, it's a wonderful movie, yeah, and then Transformers, yes, okay, and then 2.0, yes, of course. Okay, so we are Avengers, Age of Ultron, yeah, it's wonderful. Real Steel, okay. So yeah, Matrix, yeah. So we're getting a lot of response, guys. Thank you so much for your response. Okay. So in a lot of movies, we have seen that kind of concept. So they used to create a machine which is going to be the enhanced version of the human being, right? So while talking about here, so you just imagine, guys. So you are all present here. So the people who are all present here, you are going to create one robot like you. Okay, you are going to clone yourself like a robot. Okay. So what we need to do, so for an example, if your bot want to walk like you just want to feed that knowledge that how will you walk, right? So that knowledge, and then if your robot want to speak what are the language which you will speak and how you will slang and those things, so that is going to be transferred, that is needed to be transferred into the machine, right? Whatever the stuffs you have and whatever the stuffs which you need to transfer to your clone robot, what you will do, you will transfer your experience or your knowledge to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Okay. So intelligence which is demonstrated by the machines in contrast to natural intelligence delivered by the humans. Okay. So what is the thing? So let us have artificial intelligence robot. It may be a computer, it may be a robot, or it may be a machine. It may be anything. Okay. So what we used to do, we are going to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. I hope you clearly understood this. If you are clear with this, you just post I am clear Sanjay in your life. Okay. So artificial intelligence robot, I am going to transfer my knowledge or my experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this. And there is also another quote by interesting quote by Elon. AI will be the best or worst thing ever for the humanity. Is it looking weird, right? So of course it will be, because for this, while talking about this AI, there are a lot of problems as well as there are a lot of benefits as well. So only thing we can do is we can able to learn to control, take a control over it. We should have the control of growth of artificial intelligence. That is the main thing we can do. Okay. So, and then why artificial intelligence? Of course, we all know the reason. So it can able to work on 24/7, which is going to reduce the manpower, and which is going to be helpful for analyzing the deeper data, and which is having a repetitive learning. So if you once your machine is started, it is going to learn continuously. So that is the main usage of AI. And there is also another quote by Stephen Hawking: "Success in creating AI would be the biggest event in the human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last unless we learn how to avoid the risk. Whatever the technology which are going to introduce, definitely at the beginning, it is going to be very risk. But we can learn to avoid that risk in it, okay, which is present in it. Okay. Okay. So another main thing, guys, how many of you guys know about artificial intelligence, which is present in the Facebook, talked to each other? How many of you guys know that news? If you want to know, you just put I want to know Sanjay in your live chat, or else if you know, you just put I know Sanjay in your live chat, because I think it is nearly around 2013 or 2014. AI robot two machine which is spoken with each other. So how many of you guys know about it? So if you know, you just put I know. If you want to know, you just put I want to know Sanjay in your live chat, so that I'll share that news to you. Okay. Okay. So let us compare this AI with a human being, guys. So what are the human being can do? So what are all the abilities we can able to feed to the machine or to a robot? Okay. So first thing, what is the application or what is the ability is human can visualize something and human can recognize something. Okay. So what is that? So what is about human can able to see and human can able to recognize? So it's simple, guys. For an example, if I'm showing this, if I'm showing this object to you, what do you say? You will say this is nothing but a mobile phone, right? For an example, if I'm showing this to you, so what you will say? This is a water bottle, right? So of course, so why, how you are telling that? Because you all, so from your childhood, for an example, if your age is 27, so for this 27 years, you have seen different wide variety of mobile phones. So you have seen keypad mobile phones, you have seen touchscreen mobile phones, we have seen infinity display mobile phones, right? So you have this knowledge. So for an example, if I'm going to give that keypad mobile phone to the newborn kids now, they are present here. So they will throw it away, right? Of course, they'll throw it away simply. They won't agree that that is a mobile phone, right? So you have the knowledge. So from your for this 27 years, you have seen different wide variety of mobile phone, different wide variety of water bottles. So likewise, you have the knowledge. That is a vision based knowledge, right? You have visualized it and you have collected it and you have saved it in your memory. So if you want to transfer that ability, so if your robot also want to do the same thing, so if I'm showing this to you, so it should recognize this is a water bottle. If it is so, if it is that is the ability which we need to transfer, we can transfer it by using the concept called computer vision and the deep learning. Here, the data which is going to be in the format of images or video, and instead of eye, there is going to be a camera here. Okay, I hope you clearly understand up to this. What is the data format? It is going to be image or video. So first of all, you just see the ability. What is the ability? Visualizing and recognizing ability. What is the image data format? Images or video. What is the hardware, or sorry, what is the physical thing we need to have or we need to deploy? It is a camera instead of eye. And what is the concept? Computer vision and then deep learning, as well as sometimes the machine learning too. Okay, so I hope you guys got this. And what is the second ability? Analyze and then learn. For an example, guys, you just tell me if if some people, for an example, if your neighborhood, okay, you just take if your neighborhood is something cooking delicious, okay, what is your reaction? So for an example, if someone is cooking biryani or something like that, some food which you really love a lot, so what is your emoji? So you can post your emojis in the live chat, guys. Okay, so yeah, we are getting the response to go slow. Okay, so if you really want me to go slow again, so definitely I'll go slow. Okay, so you just tell me, guys. So you just, what is your emoji? So what is your emoji? It's like what is your emoji whenever you are feeling something cooking delicious, which is by the neighborhood? Okay, what is your reaction is going to be? Okay, you just post your emojis in the live chat, because what is the thing is, you can able to analyze that emoji. So the Gautam Verma have posted the funny emoji. It's really wonderful. Okay, so here what is the main thing is, you can able to analyze each and every smell, and you can able to recognize that food even. So if there is a rotten smell, you will close the mouth, right? So you can able to analyze something, and you can able to identifying a pattern, and you can able to make a decision, right? So that kind of ability, that is known as this ability, where you are it may be like smell, it may be like taste, or it may be by using any observation. So if you are feeling some chillness, you can able to easily recognize that in outside there is raining, right? So this kind of ability, you are analyzing something and identifying a pattern from it and making a decision. So that kind of concept is known as that on the time, the data which is going to be a numerical data, and the concept which is going to be a machine learning. Okay, so I hope you guys got this. And instead of sensory organs, we used to have a sense. Okay, definitely I'll go through once. Okay, if you didn't got before, so definitely you'll got this now. Okay, and then third ability, which is listening and then speaking. So while talking about this listen and then speak, what is the common thing which we need to have a mutual communication, guys? So if you know the answer, you just post your answers in the live chat. Okay, so if we want to have a mutual communication, what is the common thing we need to have in between us? So you just post your answers in the live chat. Okay, so while talking about that, so if you want to feed that kind of knowledge, so if your robot want to listen, and if your robot want to speak, and if your robot want to do the chat messages automatically, so if it is so, that we need to go for natural language processing concept, and then data which is going to be a text, and instead of ear and then mouth, we used to have a microphone and then speaker. So I hope you guys got this. Okay, so yeah, so I'm repeating again. So the first answer by Dhiraj, the answer is language. Yes, of course, that is the language. The language is the common thing which we need to have in between. Yeah, guys, I got your response to go slow. Definitely, I'll go slow. Okay, so I'm repeating the flow again, guys. We are going to compare the human being with the robot. So we are going to create one iRobot. We are going to create one Chitty or anything. So okay, you are going to create one robot. What you are going to do? So let us see first of all what are the human can do. So what are the things human can do? First of all, human can see something and human can able to recognize something. So if I'm showing this mobile phone, you can able to recognize this is the mobile phone, right? So you can visualize. So if I'm showing this, you will tell that this is a mobile, and if you are seeing this, you will tell this is the water bottle, and if you are again seeing this, you will tell this is also a water bottle. So you have that vision ability. So you are visualizing and you are recognizing the object. So that is the first concept. That's the first ability. For that ability, the concept like computer vision and then deep learning. So with the help of that concept, we can train image or video data to do that same ability for your robot. Okay. And second one, analyze and then learn. So that is the second ability. So you are sensing something and you are identifying a pattern and you are making a decision, as well as you are predicting even. Right, that is the second ability. So for that ability, we can use the data like numerical data, which is acquired by the sensors, and by using the method called machine learning, we can able to train, or we can able to feed that knowledge to a machine. And third ability, which is listening and then speaking. So for that ability, so you just want to listen first and then it should reply back, right? So for that reason, so we can use this natural language processing concept. Here the data, which is going to be a text, and instead of ear and then mouth, we used to have a microphone and then speaker. Okay, so I hope you all super clear with the concept, guys. So what are the concepts we have seen? Artificial intelligence. Inside that we have machine learning and then deep learning, and further we also have computer vision for handling the images. Okay, so I hope you all super clear with this. If you are super clear with this, you just post I am super clear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so so that's the thing. Okay, so I hope you all super clear with this, guys. If you are super clear with this, you just post I am super clear with this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. And let us discuss about the application because it is the shortest. Then we are directly going to jump on to the creating a chatbot. Okay, I hope you all ready for creating a chatbot. I hope you all holding your eagerness to create a chatbot. So please stay till the end. Okay, so first of all, before that, let us see about this application of artificial intelligence. So thank you so much, Bhavsar and Sai Harsha, so for posting clear, and Sriram Bhaskar, and then Gautam. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting I'm super clear Sanjay in your live chat, so it's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your warm response. Okay, so let us see some artificial intelligence based application, because once you have crossed into this application, you will be completely excited that these are all the things which you can be able to do with the help of AI. Yes, of course. Okay, you are going to see this. First of all, let us see the first application, AI in doctor. So while talking about AI doctor, of course, so in this COVID time, so there is lot much contact in between the doctors and then patients. So you can simply create one robot. I'll give some ideas. If you really love the idea, just post I love Sanjay in your I love this idea Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So what is the idea? Is you can create a chat. You can create a bot. So for that bot, I'll implement one thermal camera and normal camera. And what to say, like this chatbot, this kind of NLP concepts, like we used to have microphone and then speaker. So and then some intelligence about some medicines. Okay, so whenever the person is got entered, with the help of the deep learning concept, first of all, it will detect the person. So once the person is detected, then it will turn on the thermal camera to detect the temperature. So if the temperature is really high, then it will ask furthermore questions. So do you have a breathing problem? What's your name? What's your address? What is your contact number? And so do you feeling well? And what is your problem? So likewise, it can ask some questions and it will keep a record, or it will make a record. So once if it is identified that person is very severe, then it will send it now itself, or else it will make an appointment. So tomorrow 9 a.m. is your appointment. So likewise, you can create one bot. So that is the first application, AI in doctor. Thank you so much, Pranav, for posting I love this idea. And Valluru, and then Dani and Ankit. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for posting I love this idea in live chat. Okay, so then physical applications of handicap. So for an example, guys, if I don't have this hand after here, so like in this picture, so if it is so, then so you can use some EMG sensor, that is electromyogram sensor. Okay, so the black color thing, which is nothing but an electromyogram. So electromyogram means whenever you used to hold or release your fingers, so you are closing and then opening your fingers, so there will be some electrical activity in your nerves. So that can be detected by using EMG sensor, and by using AI, we can able to learn, we can able to teach that. So whenever thumb finger is closed, So you will record that pattern. So this pattern is for thumb close and then thumb release, thumb close and then thumb release. So likewise, you will record a nerve pattern. And then for forefinger. So for forefinger, this is the nerve pattern. So forefinger close and then forefinger release. So I'll take like totally 10 patterns for this single hand. Okay, 10 ENG patterns. And we can use artificial intelligence algorithm to train that 10 patterns. And with the help of that, we can create one robot like which is present here. So whenever the person used to do the same activity, they'll get that feedback and they'll pass it to the controller which is present in that prosthetic arm. Okay, that is the second idea. Okay, so that's the second idea for physical application for handicapped people. And third application, prediction of disease from the medical image. Of course, so we used to predict this COVID detection. So that is also in the list of our projects. And then in Madurai, if you know, there is the Aravind Eye Hospital is there. So on there is a diabetic retinopathy detection application. So it is nothing but the blood leakage will be happening in eyeballs. So it is really hard, right? So that can be detected by using this artificial intelligence. That research is still going on in Aravind Eye Hospital, which is present in Madurai. So that is the third thing. And fourth thing, voice recognition for ALS patients. So ALS means amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. What it means by that? So this is the disease where people can't able to pronounce it properly. So they can't able to pronounce like they'll use like a word like something like that. Okay, so it's funny, right? So they can't able to pronounce that. So pronounce that properly. For that people, they can take that pattern and they can create a kind of replying machine. So whenever they used to say whenever they used to say something like platform. So if they are telling like that, it can able to easily recognize that is a laptop. Okay. So likewise, you can able to do these kind of application using this artificial intelligence program on the field of medical. Okay. So and then second one, AI in agriculture. The first thing, weather prediction and then suggestion. So we can able to predict the weather by using AI application. And second one, plant disease detection and then classification. So of course, monitoring is the main important thing. So we can do the monitoring by detecting the diseases like anthracnose, late blight, dark blight that can be detected. And third one, classification. So once the cultivation is done, so you have a lot of fruits in it. So you just want to segregate good fruits and then rotten fruits. So likewise, you can able to classify that, right? You can able to classify that with the help of with the help of this artificial application, so that it is going to be completely segregated. Okay, so that fruit can be easily segregated with the help of this artificial intelligence program. And fourth one, it may be little weird. So it is nothing but satellite image based artificial intelligence program, which will be very helpful for monitoring the certain areas like certain countries or certain states vegetation even. So by analyzing the satellite image, they can able to predict what is going to be the agricultural outcome of the certain state or certain country. Okay, so these are all the agriculture application. I hope you like this. And voice assistant. So you just tell me, guys, what are the voice assistants you know? So if you know the answer, you just put your answers in the live chat. Okay, so what are the like voice assistants you know? Because there is some of the process which is working behind. So what is the process here? So first of all, listening. What is the listening? So of course, so in the voice assistance devices, you may have microphone and then speaker. So what is the first thing you need to do is, first of all, whenever I'm speaking, it is going to listen that music, listen that sound. So that is going to be audio signal. Okay, that audio signal which is going to be converted into a text first of all. So for an example, if I'm telling that, hey Siri, what's the time now? So if that's my question, so it should recognize, hey Siri, what is so likewise, each and every word it will have some sound pattern. Yeah, we're getting a lot of response. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistants, Echo, yeah, wonderful. And then yeah, we're getting a lot of response. And then Bixby, yes, of course, a lot of people have forgotten that Bixby. Thank you so much for posting that Bixby. Okay, so these are all the like what to say, voice assistants, right? So first of all, listening. So whenever you are saying something via in the microphone, that is going to be converted into a text. So recognizing each and every word. And then it need to recognize the sentence. So for the sentence, it is want to form the reply. And then again, that reply, that text which is going to be converted into a sound. So here that's a speech. So where the artificial intelligence will play a major role, like especially that NLP and then machine learning is recognizing a word and even forming a reply. Okay, so in the NLP here we have natural language generation and the natural language understanding even. So these are all the application, guys. These are all the application. These are all the place where the AI is playing a major role. And another thing, guys, how many of you guys played with Hike Natasha? So how many of you guys know about Hike? Because only I think 90s kids may know about the Hike. So how many of you guys played with Hike Natasha? If you have played, you just post. I played Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. So that is the chatbot, right? So that is also going to be running like this. Only thing, audio is not going to be there. Instead, there is going to be a text. Other than that, ML machine learning and then NLP is going to play a role to recognize the text, to identify the meaning, to form a reply, and to send it back. So this is going to be there. Okay, so this is on voice assistance and AI in autonomous vehicle. And another question, guys. What you are thinking about? So, which is your favorite industry who is good at making AI autonomous vehicle, like driverless vehicle? So you can ping your answers in the live chat. Okay. So what is the industry which you know who is making AI robot? Okay. So AI vehicle. Okay. So driverless car or driverless truck. So if you know the answer, you just put your answers in the live chat. There are a lot of people have played it. It's really wonderful. Okay. So here, if you are talking about this autonomous robot, guys, autonomous vehicle, so autonomous car, so what is the common thing? What is the needed? So what are the challenges in it? So for an example, if there is no driver, so the car should drive itself. So if that is the scenario, what is the challenges, guys? The first challenge, it should know the driving, of course, like applying the gears or brake system. So those things. So it should know the driving. And second thing, what to say? It should know where it is going to go. So source and the destination point, like navigation. So the route to reach that destination. That is the second thing. And third thing, it should follow the lane. The white color line which is present in the road, it should follow the lane. And fourth thing, it should not collide with any other vehicle. That is the fourth thing, right? And fifth one, it should what to say? It should see the traffic light, red, green, so that it should see that traffic light. That is the fifth one. And sixth one, it should obey the road signs. So it should detect the road signs. Road signs in the sense speed limit 20 kilometers, speed limit 40 kilometers. That kind of road signs needed to be detected. So that is the sixth thing. And these are all the challenges, right? So whenever you are thinking about that, this kind of challenges, yeah, we're getting a lot of response by, there is a Tesla. Yes, of course. Tesla is more popular, right? Yes, of course. So if you are thinking about these challenges, so we have seen up to like 7 challenges. Definitely that 7 challenges can't be overcome by using only the sensors. So sensors in the sense ultrasonics, lidar, radar. So it is not enough. So instead of that, apart from it, so they'll also use a lot of cameras in it. So like you can use like nearly 4 or 8 or more number of cameras even. So they'll acquire every data from every sensors and then cameras. Actually, they'll acquire the data from ultrasonics, lidar and then radar, and they'll apply some machine learning algorithm to make a decision, or else they'll apply deep learning algorithm from the cameras data, and they'll combine the result. That concept is known as a sensor fusion, where they'll try to acquire every data from every sensors and then cameras, and they'll make a decision whether the car need to turn right, or the car need to apply a brake, or the car need to turn left. So this kind of thing, this kind of decision which is going to be happened by using the concept like sensor fusion. They'll acquire different type of values or different type of data from different resources, and they'll make a decision. That is known as a sensor fusion. Okay, so I hope you guys all got this. And then in search engines, so while talking about the search engines as well as like in social media events, which is present here. So how many of you guys noticed that if you are searching something in Amazon or Flipkart, if you are searching like if you are searching about sneakers, or if you are looking for some skateboard or TV or something like that in a Amazon or in a Flipkart, how many of you guys noticed that same product will come as an advertisement in some other website? How many of you guys noticed that? If you have noticed that, you just post I noticed this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, because so whenever you are seeing something like that, so it is kind of like retargeting. Okay, so whenever you are typing something, so it will be recorded, and based on your interest, it can able to predict that. So it can able to predict the results. So here we have a lot of options like Google suggestions. So whenever it is giving some suggestion, and SVO, which is for website creators, and results. So it is giving some results and based on the priorities, and web advertisement. So it will give advertisement based on your interest. So these are all the concepts. Okay, so these are all the things, guys. So a lot of people have noticed that. So yeah, a lot of people have noticed that. So you are posting that in the live chat. It's really wonderful. Thank you so much for posting that. Okay, so these are all the search engines, guys. Okay, the people used to experience a lot more things, right? So that is going to be completely analyzed and it is going to make some decisions. Okay, so if you are talking about social medias even, before, so I think you guys all know, so in Facebook before there is only thumbs up and then thumbs down. So how many of you know that? If you know that, you just put I know Sanjay in your live chat, because previously there is only thumbs up and the thumbs down. Now there is love symbol, anger symbol, and then happy symbol. So whenever there is some certain post, like Indian educational system is very good. So if that is the certain post, so for that post, how you are reacting. So based on that, it can able to easily, that Facebook's algorithm can able to easily predict your predict your interest. So based on that, it will give some advertisement. So that is about social medias. Of course, it is also happening in the e-commerce. Okay, and then music and then composition. So nowadays, artificial intelligence also making a music. So only thing is, so I hope you all know some lot of music directors. Like if you are talking about A.I or different person, each and every musician will have some different style. So by using artificial intelligence, we can able to train that to learn up from the style of the A.R. Rahman. And whenever you are giving some situations like love or something like that, so sad or something like that, it will try to compose the certain music based on the certain style which you have already configured for. So it will give the notes for violinists and pianists, like these are the notes. So it can also compose music. That is known as artificial intelligence applications on the music composing and recommendation, of course, like Ghana or something like that. It is automatically recommending some of the music which is similar to your interest. Right, and AI in cooking. So while talking about AI in cooking application, so guys, like there are a lot of people are non-vegetarians, right? So nowadays, what they are doing is, while with the help of artificial intelligence program, they are analyzing the molecular structure of the food. So they are creating non-veg without using non-veg. So is it confusing? Because it's simple, guys. They are creating a chicken. Okay, they are creating chicken dish. Okay, chicken gravy or something like that, but without using a hen. Okay, without using chicken. Okay, simply. So you can compare or you can analyze the molecular structure of the chicken. Okay, so while talking about the chicken, what are the things there? So first of all, taste, smell, texture, and then color, right? So these are all the things. So what they are doing is, they are analyzing the molecular structure of the chicken, and they are finding the molecular structure which is present in the vegetational product like cabbage or something like that, and they are combining it and they are making a same kind of food product. Whenever you are tasting and whenever you are smelling, it will look like the chicken, but it is not a chicken. Is it interesting, guys? If it is interesting, you just post it's really interesting Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, if you are feeling that it is very interesting, you just post it's really interesting Sanjay in your live chat. Just post it's really interesting in your live chat. Okay, and another main thing, guys, before going on to the creating a chatbot, you are one step away, guys. So remaining 30 minutes, you are going to create your chatbot by yourself. Okay, please stay till the end. And before going on to that, I already told you there is a surprise which is really waiting for you. So you already know that we are also providing internship program where you will get 30 days of video lectures and 15 plus projects and 10 plus source code, technical materials like bonus tasks and assignments, and forum telegram support, internship e-certificate, so which is included in the price of 26,000, which we are providing already in the price of 750 rupees, right? So this is the thing which you already know, right? But there is a little surprise which is really waiting for you. Okay, so what is the surprises? So are you guys excited to know the surprise? Because there is really a wonderful surprise, which is nothing but you are going to get free course at the price of rupees 999 rupees. Okay, so what are the three courses? Data analytics, artificial intelligence, and then machine learning. So these are the three courses you are going to get in the price of single course price of rupees 999 rupees. Okay, or you guys really got excited about seeing the shocking bonus, even though the people who registered before, because the people used to register for past 2 days or 3 days, the people who registered before 3 days, that people are also going to get this course link via email. Okay, the people who already registered artificial intelligence only, that only course for 750 rupees, they are going to get a link to register for the course of this free course for the price of 999. You will get that link. But other than that, people really want to get this three course, like a three combo course, for in the price of 999 rupees. You are going to get it. Okay, so I'll give the link. Okay, so I'll give it in the live chat. Okay, three combo. So it is three combo here. So yeah, so I've pinned it in the live chat, guys. If you really want the three course, which includes data analytics, artificial intelligence, and then machine learning. So 30 days, 30 days, 30 days, totally 90 days of video lectures. So for an example, you will get first of all access to all 90 days of video lectures, as well as there is some bonus lectures as well. So which is value about 12,000. And these three courses, which includes 50 plus projects, guys. You just imagine 50 plus projects in your hand from the scratch even. Okay, 50 plus project, which is in the worth of 75,000 rupees, and 100 plus source code. So 100 plus source code, which is in the value of 10,000 rupees, and technical materials like presentation and then mind map. So and then that kind of material like technical values, because whenever you are publishing a paper or whenever you used to understand a certain concept, you need that references. If you want to attend an interview, you need that references in a shortest, the simplest way. I'm not giving like paragraph of content, which is really hard to learn. So you can get this kind of mind map and then presentation, which is in the value of 10,000, which is also going to be absolutely free, and bonus task, assignment, and then mind lecture. So which is a worth of 5,000 rupees, and forum Telegram discussion group. You can able to interact with me through the Telegram. So that is also can be done with the help of this forum Telegram support, and 3 internship e-certificate on the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then internship. You are going to get 3 e-certificate. Okay, so the total value, which is in the price of rupees 1,14,000, which today we are providing it only for 999 rupees. Okay, I've given the link. Okay, I'll given the link and I'll pin it in the live chat. Okay, so I'll given the link here. Okay, so you just register for it. Okay, so that is a 3 course combo where you get artificial intelligence course, machine learning course, and then data analytics course, who are in the price of 999 rupees. Okay, so yeah, give me a minute. I'll change the price now. Yeah, give me a minute, guys. Yeah, I noticed that. Okay, I noticed that. So give me a minute. I'll give it in the price of 999. Okay, so I'll copy the link now. Okay, so I'm replacing the link again. So I'll give it the link again now. So yeah, so I given the link, guys. Now I'll give it in the price of 999. So you just take it out now. So combo 3. Okay, I'll give the link now. So combo 3, which is in the price of 999. Okay, so I'll replace the pin now. Okay, so now you just check it out, guys. Now it is in the price of 999. Okay, I'm really sorry for that. For posting that to 999 price of course link. Now I have pasted 999 course link. Okay, you just go for it and register for it. Okay. So this is the combo link, guys, where you will get artificial intelligence 30 days internship courses lectures, and then machine learning 30 days lectures, and data analytics data analytics 30 days lectures. You are going to get complete 90 days of video lectures, and then source code, and then attachments, and then support, and then 3 e-certificates, just in the price of 999 rupees. Okay, I've given the link. Okay, so you can register for it, and lot of people have got lot of benefits from our internship program. So if you really want, you can check it out, our Pantech review. Okay, so Pantech solutions. Okay, give me a minute. I'll show the review also, because a lot of people have got more benefit from us. There are nearly like 8,608 comments is here. So you can just please check it out, this comments. So for an example here, if you are seeing here, there are really bulky messages. Like, I really love the detailed step-by-step guidance from the Pantech instructor. I loved how the syllabus was not misleading at all, mostly focused on the needed industry skills. To be honest, I learned a lot in the data analytics masterclass than I ever did anywhere else. So thank you, Pantech Solutions. So if you are seeing here, each and every some of the comments, which is really good enough about really like a paragraph kind of reviews. Okay, so you just please check it out, this comment also, guys. You just go for Google review and please check it out. So how the people have benefited, because some people may think that is a scam, but that's really not a scam. So we are providing it for free, only to serve 1 crore of people as our main goal. Okay, so by Shwet Nisha ma'am, there is a really wonderful comments, guys. Okay, you can take it this as a proof. Okay, this is not a scam. So it is completely, you are going to get feel the value which is 10 times larger than the price which you are giving for. So for 999, you are going to get 3 courses. AI, which is going to cover different aspects. So once you have completed AI masterclass, you will get complete idea about what is the NLP, what is the everything, every concept. And then machine learning, and then data analytics. So data analytics, which is going to cover databases, BI tools, and then what to say, Excel, and then some of the automations like a Power Query. So those kinds which is completely covered. So complete 90 days, complete these 3 bundle of courses, which is in the which is going to provide based on application based learning. You are going to build more than 50 to 60 to 70 plus projects, I think. Okay, so confirm you will get 50 plus final year project, be ready. Okay, so you just go for it. I have given the link in the live chat, okay, which is in the price of 999 rupees. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then data analytics. Okay, and people who registered before itself, that people going to get that video lectures or get that offer price in the via email. Okay, the people who registered before 2 days or 3 days, that people will get an email notification to update their course to 999 rupees. Okay, so I hope you guys got this, and I hope you are ready for creating a chatbot. If you are ready for creating a chatbot, you just post I'm ready in your live chat. Okay, I'm ready Sanjay in your live chat. If you are super ready for creating a chatbot, you just post I'm super ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let us create a chatbot, guys. So I'm going to open a browser first of all. So I'll open a browser. So you just open your Chrome browser, guys. So you just type a Dialog Flow. Okay, so that is what we are going to use for the session. Okay, so you just go into the Dialog Flow. Okay, so this is the Dialog Flow. So you just want to go into the Dialog Flow first of all. So here there is an option called Dialog Flow. So dialogflow.cloud.google.com. You just go to the website, guys. So please guys, please do it with me. Okay, so that will be really nice if you are really doing it with me. So please do it with me, guys. Okay, that will be good if you are following me. Okay, so if you are also super ready for the session, you just post I'm super ready Sanjay in your chat. Okay. Okay, we are getting a lot of response that I'm ready. Okay, please go into dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Okay, this is the website which you need to support. Okay, it's taking some time. So if you guys got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, if you got this Dialog Flow page, you just post I got this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so I'm typing again Dialog Flow. So dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Okay, guys, is it ready? Okay, is it all good? Okay, you are feeling some lagging and error. Okay, so give me some time. So I'll fix that out now. Guys, is it okay now? So I fixed that. I've just deleted something, some options, and some browsing running. Okay, it's lagging. So if it is good, you just put it's good Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so I think okay, so you are feeling you are facing some internet issues. I think I'm facing that. Okay, so I'm facing some stream health error. Okay, so give me some time. Okay, so just to check it out, you just want to go into this page. So once you got into the page, you just post I got it Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. Guys, if you guys got this page up to now, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. I got this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So you just want to get this page. Guys, I fixed this issue now. So if you guys got this, you just put IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so I have fixed that issue now. Okay, so if you guys got this, sorry, it's because of some internet, because we have access to some cloud here, so it just got frozen. Okay, so if you got this, you just put IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, or else I'll hide my face. So let us check whether it's working good or not. Okay, I've hidden my face. So if it is okay now, so just post IGT. Okay, so it is not fixed now. So still, you just check it out once. Okay, I'm repeating again. Is it clear? So if it is clear, you just post it's clear Sanjay in your live chat. Guys, is it clear? Is my audio is clear? I've taken my face now. So is it clear now? So if it is clear now, you just post it's clear. It's buffering still. Okay. Guys, I just totally fixed my issues. Okay, still now I'm checking, working on it. Okay, give me a sec. Guys, if it is clear, you just post it's clear, or else we can also we also cover this chatbot session on tomorrow as well. So if it is clear up to now, you just post it's clear Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so it may be because of some internet issues, because it is really running streaming also there. So streaming with the chatbot, the cloud which you are opening here, so it's consuming a lot of speed, I think. So if it is clear, you just post it's clear, or else we will cover this chatbot session on the tomorrow session. Okay. Okay. So not clear, not clear. Okay, guys. Shall we cover this chatbot session on tomorrow? So if you are agree to this, you just post I agree to technical issues. Okay, definitely, as we have already given a commitment that we are going to give the session, so definitely we'll give the session. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so if you are going to if you guys are okay with that, tomorrow we'll complete with the chatbot session. So if you are ready for it, you just post it's ready. I'm ready. Okay. Okay, I think we are getting that people are clear. So guys, are you clear? So is it clear? Is it clear for you? So if it is clear, we'll continue, or else we'll cover the chatbot session on tomorrow.